Hey yo, so everybody that has locks, listen up. Why do we do this to ourselves? Why do we feel like after we haven't had a retwist and our new growth is growing out and it's frizzy and it's showing all of our natural kinks and curls, like they coming out, they showing like for real. Like, why do we get uncomfortable and why do we say that we need to get our hair retwisted? What is that about? I'm trying to understand why do we do that, because I still do it. I've had my locks for almost 8 years and I still do it. I feel like I need to use a wrap and cover it up, or I need to put a headband on or something, or a scarf. But why do we feel like we have to cover up when our locks really start locking? Like, say for instance today, like I haven't had a retwist in months and I feel like maybe I'm not as cute as I was when I first got it retwisted. But then I have to snap out of it and remember, girl, you got locks. Your locks are always done. They're always done. You get compliments everywhere you go. Every person that sees your locks is trying to put their damn hands in them and touch them and ask you questions about how long you've been growing them and what you do to get them so long and so pretty and they so shiny and they so moisturized and luxurious. And I mean, if we could only see that in ourselves and be confident in our locks locking, then we'd all be having a smoother journey, you know, and not always saying, oh, I'm overdue for a retwist. There's no such thing. I just want to normalize having new growth and allowing your locks to do the locking instead of our brains doing the lock-in, because your brain is keeping you locked in this mentality that your locks always have to be freshly retwisted. That is not the case. Let's embrace these locks for what they are. They are locks. Our natural hair is locking. I haven't had a retwist in months, and I'm going to sit here today and be proud of all of my new growth. I'm going to be proud that I don't see my scalp. I'm going to be proud that my locks are growing. I'm going to be proud that they're healthy. And I'm going to be proud that they're strong. It ain't what you see on Instagram all day. It's not all the cutest, but it's good. I want to make it normal for us to wear our locks healthy and not always retwisted and styled. It's okay to let your locks breathe for a while and just take in all of the sunlight and vitamin D and air and oxygen. Just let them just be. You can still be cute. It's all in your mind. It's all in your head. You are beautiful. You are strong. You are brave. You are perfect the way you are. There's no such thing as being overdue for a retwist. There's no such thing. Let's get out of that mind frame and embrace our locks, embrace the lock journey, take care of them, keep them healthy, keep them nice and good, keep them separated, but know that you're beautiful without a retwist.